Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know about index and match function. So I have already covered the index and match function. So today I'm going to let you know about the live scenario. So how we can utilize the index and match to pick data from multiple data sets. So let's see how we can do it. So first I'm reviewing the data sets. So you can see here, this is my first data set. This is my first data sets. And second data sets is this one. Here I have picked up few data which is related to order ID. So on the basis of this order ID, we need to pick order date, ship date, and customer name. So few orders matching from first data sets and few orders matching from second data sets. But I need to pick here these columns with single function. Single functions means we will apply function here, and whenever we will drag in right side and down side, I will get all the informations. So here we will apply multiple functions, but I will apply only one time, and I will drag the function in right side and down side, we will get all the data. So let's see how we can do it. So you need to apply here equal to index. Index first parameter is array. So you have to take complete range of data from data set 1. I have selected all the data, comma. So row number. For row number, you have to go to in sheet 1 and you have to take header. No, here you need to take order ID as a lookup value of match. So you need to apply match function first. Then you have to take lookup value as a order ID, and here you need to freeze column because my row is moving in downside, but column is fixed A. So here I have fixed A, comma, lookup array. Lookup array, so where I will get the position of this order ID. So you have to go to datasets 1 and you have to go to order ID column. So my order ID column is C column. You have to select entire data from C column. Freeze it, comma, 0, bracket close. So this match is used for row number. Using match function, we will pick the row number of order ID, comma. Next match is for column number. So here I'm applying match. You have to go to sheet 1 and you have to take header as a lookup value of second match. So here I will freeze row because column is moving. In this B1 reference, next reference will be C1, next reference will be D1. So here my column will move, row will be freezed. So I have freezed here row, comma. Now where I will get the position of these columns. So you have to go to dataset 1 and you have to press Control Home key to move on your pointer in first column. Now you have to select entire header. Freeze it, comma. Then you have to take 0, bracket close for match, bracket close for index. Then enter. So see here, I'm getting order ID and here I'm extracting it. So these two orders, orders information I'm not getting here. So how we can, why we are not getting the order information? Because these two orders might be available in dataset 2. So how we can check the dataset 2 to match these two order ID? So you will have to apply here if error function. if error function. If error means if I'm getting any error in these complete formulas, then I will check in second data sets. So here I will apply index again. You have to go to data sets one. You have to take complete range of second data sets. Previously, I have taken the reference of first data set. Now, in this index function, I'm taking data reference from second data set 2. So you have to select it complete range, freeze it, comma. Now you have to pick here row number. So here I'm just extending the formula bar. Now, here you need to apply match function for row number. So you have to go there and take lookup value as order ID to pick the row number of order ID. So here I have freezed the column. I have to pick the position of order ID, comma. Then you have to go there in second data sets and where I will get the position of order ID. So you have to take complete range of order ID, freeze it, comma, 0, bracket close. So first match is done for row number, comma, second match. Second match I will apply for column number. So you need to apply match and you have to go to sheet 1 and you have to take a lookup value as a header. So here I will take header. Then you have to freeze here row, comma, where I will get the position of these headers. So you have to go to dataset 2 header and press Ctrl Shift right arrow, freeze it, comma, 0, bracket close twice. Enter. Now you will get data for all the orders. So you can see here I'm getting data for all the orders, but here my date format is not correct. So you have to select this complete range. Then you have to uh, go to home menu, go to format option. You have to go to format cell, and here you will get one window. So this will be a window where we can change our date format. So I have taken this and you have to take any date format. Can click on OK. Now you can see here date format is done. Okay. So this is the way to apply index match function. If order ID is not matching in one data set, we can apply if error function to match the data in second data set. So through the if error, we can apply two-time index and match function. If you want to check the data in third data set, you will have to apply one more if error and you will have to apply one more index match here. So this is the way to apply the index match function. This is a very effective function to pick the data from left side of the column and right side of the column. So this is a more flexible than VLOOKUP match. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.